Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zillow Rentals, Apartment and Home Finder app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zillow Rentals is a real estate app designed to help users search, compare, and apply for rental homes, apartments, and condos across the United States. The app provides millions of verified listings with detailed filters for price, location, amenities, and lease terms. It's available on both iOS and Android and allows users to explore 3D tours, high-quality photos, and neighborhood insights to find their ideal place to live. The app's main feature is its easy-to-use property search tool. You can filter results by rent price, number of bedrooms, or specific amenities, and even save your favorite listings for later. Zillow Rentals also enables direct messaging with landlords and supports online rental applications, making the entire process more convenient for both tenants and property owners. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Zillow Rentals for its huge selection of listings, detailed property photos, and transparent pricing filters. The ability to take virtual 3D tours and view neighborhood information before scheduling a visit saves both time and effort. Renters also like the app's favorites and saved searches features, which make tracking potential homes easier. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report outdated or duplicate listings that are no longer available, which can cause confusion. Communication delays between renters and landlords are also a common issue. Additionally, while Zillow Rentals covers a wide range of cities, smaller towns may have fewer updated listings. In summary, the Zillow Rentals app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable, convenient, and visually detailed platform to find rental homes or apartments. However, if you prefer verified real-time listings or personal communication with landlords, you might find other rental apps slightly more accurate. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.